Guys, my name is Ibrahim. Today I will be showing my cars. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. This is my car Chevrolet. Its color is orange. This is my car Mini Cooper. Its color is red. This is my car McLaren. Its color is black. This is my car Toyota. Its color is red. This is my car Volvo. Its color is black. This is my car Volvo. Its color is black. Dodge. This color is white. This color is pink. And this color is grey. This is my car Porsche. This is my car Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Its color is green. This is my car Volkswagen. Its color is lime green. This is my car Lamborghini. Its color is purple.